we're here. We've arrived at Disney's Vero Beach. We're going to do a quick room tour. When you come in, you've got a microwave, coffee maker, little kitchenette, refrigerator. Very nice. No freezer. And then you have garbage. Oh, they moved the garbage here too. You have toiletry. You have toaster, paperware, paper towels, silverware, little container. That's nice. It's a nice touch. Coming in, you have a little coat rack here. Hang things. Nice little bathroom area. Beautiful. Turn some lights on. Beautiful sink. Nice, beautiful. It's just like a jewel knob. Really nice. Hardwood floors, by the way. Definitely a trend you see at Disney. Restroom. Got a little hidden Mickey right there. Look at that. Amazing. Toilet, shower. You got your H2O products. All ready to go and cleaned. Ultra cleaning. And this goes, you can pull this out and hang your towels. Kind of goes across here. And this is the new style of garbage trash service. We have recycling and then regular. And here you have a little closet and a safe and a rack, blankets, hangers, ironing board and iron. And then in here, wow, that's beautiful. Very nice and fresh. Love how the pillows are laid out. And oh, it's turtle season. May 1st through October, you have turtles nesting on the beach. So here you have beautiful big screen TV, a nice mirror, little sitting bench to put your shoes on. You got some storage in there. You have a dresser, a nice little nightstand with USBs to charge. More beautiful art. Turn this light on. Beautiful, beachy, nice lighting. And then a great little seating area. Some more amazing art. And then the best part in the inn here is our view of the ocean. Wow, this is a huge balcony. Wow. And then we are here. We were called by the ocean. And they're here. Got movies down on the grass there every night. And this is huge. Look how big it is. So nice. Beautiful, beautiful room. Definitely one of my favorite resorts. Just stunning. And there's a ceiling fan with like a little ruby type pearl. Really nice. And the TV's got the Disney Channel there. More USBs, plugs, and all of that. And we are going to enjoy this. Just take a look and see. It's beautiful. Wow. Stunning inn room at Disney's Vero Beach Studio.